Howdy friends, today's unboxing Flipkart product. Flipkart have big billion day offer. I purchased from Flipkart. Let's start. Before start the video, please like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing online product? Check in that up. I button have more videos. Any question, comment from the comment section. You want to purchase this product? I give you description link. Want to purchase? This is a USB cable, micro USB cable. Both a good offer. That's why I purchased 17 rupees only the price. Let's start. I purchased on 3 I think order. See, actual single price is 79 rupees without delivery charges because of plus member of Flipkart. This on 2 order. This on 1 order 79. This is our USB micro USB cable, the 1 meter. The usual MRP is, usual MRP price is 699. Focus over camera. It's good deal guys, it's a good company. Assorted cable is a combo product. Okay guys, like and video, subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Do not forget to share this video. Any question, comment. You want to like this offer coming? Always check my channel. I have videos and description links. And too many offer, I'll give you link to want to purchase. More video like this unboxing. Check in that up. I button for more videos. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe my channel. You guys like and share. Look at that, the cable quality. See, warranty card also inside. Two years warranty guys, manual warranty. Good. Some Bollywood star brand ambassador BoAt. Good. That cable is good. Same all cable same is. Wire is good. Anything you fold like this.